Hi friends, how are you doing? I'm Guru Rajan. Welcome to this YouTube channel to watch this sequence of videos in Python programming. In this video, you will learn how to pass variable number of arguments to a function in Python or a variable argument list. The special syntax star args and star star kw args in a function definition in Python that's used to pass variable number of arguments to a function. Now, this special syntax, in the case of star args, the arguments are passed as a tuple, and these arguments they make a tuple inside the function and with the same name as the parameter excluding the star. Similarly, if you pass the double star kw args, the name of the parameter will be the kw args without the double star. The variable arguments list discussion revolves around tuple packing, tuple unpacking, tuple dictionary packing, and dictionary unpacking. Let's look at tuple packing closely. Now, imagine that you want to write a function which wants to calculate the average, right? Which wants to calculate the average, or for example, you want to calculate the sum of the arguments. You want to calculate the sum of the arguments. So how do you do that? Obviously, you don't know whether you are going to pass 5 arguments or 2 arguments or 3 arguments. So in that case, if you don't know how many arguments you are going to pass, you can use this star args syntax. When you receive the arguments, in the function definition, you use star args. Now here I am calling this find sum with 5 arguments. Here I am calling find sum with 2 arguments. Here I am calling find sum with 3 arguments. But still, this function works seamlessly. It doesn't bother about how many arguments you are passing and how many arguments I am collecting. So you just add the sum and then return the sum. So I just wanted to show you that the args is a tuple over here. So as you can see, it correctly calculates the sum irrespective of the number of arguments. So you can think of this as a variable argument list being passed to the function. Similarly, so this is packing because you are sending 5 arguments, but it's packed inside this args, star args special syntax. It's packed inside this argument. Similarly, you can see that I'm passing the dictionary here. I'm passing a dictionary with the double star syntax. Please watch this. Your name is the key and Jatin is the value, and her name is the key and Vandana is the value. So you can see that when I call this print values, I'm passing multiple parameters as a dictionary, and it's able to collect this with the syntax star star d args, and then I'm able to print the key and the value. So let me clear the output and then run this once again. You can see that the key of my name and the value is Karthik, the key is your name, the value is Jatin, and so on. So, and I just to show the fact that dargs is a dictionary type, I'm just printing this type of the dictionary here, type of the dargs, and it's showing that it's a dictionary. So this is called dictionary packing. The previous one is tuple packing. This one is dictionary packing. Now here the question is, can I pass both tuple and a dictionary? So here I am giving one more example where you are passing the name of the company and the stock price and the imaginary stock price. So here I am passing 3 arguments. The name of the company is the key and the stock price is the value. Here Microsoft is the key, 209 is the value, and here I am passing 3 dictionary items. This is another example for the variable argument list which is received as a dictionary. Now, can I pass both a tuple and a dictionary, which means can I pass both single values as well as a pair of values? So here both star args and double star kw args are being used. So as you can see, the initial 3 values, I'm calling this do this function, and first I'm passing the 3 values and then I'm passing a different set of 3 values. So these values are taken as tuple and these three values are taken as dictionary. Let's check that. So you can see that the first three values are taken as a tuple and the next three values are taken as a dictionary. So here I'm using a combination of both. What happens if I omit these three values? Let's check that out. As you can see, there is an empty tuple because I am not sending these three values. So there is an empty tuple. Similarly, if I don't pass these dictionary values, what happens is, here you can see I'm not passing the dictionary values. As a result, there is nothing in the star kw args parameter, and simply the args parameter gets printed and the kw args is an empty flower braces. So all this constitutes packing, tuple packing and dictionary packing. We saw tuple packing and dictionary packing. Let's look at tuple unpacking and dictionary unpacking. So let's say that I have a list and its name is good list. I have a good list and then I want to pass that good list to a function new fun, right? And I'm passing it by using the so here I am packing the list and passing it to this new fun function. And then this list is received here as four different parameters A, B, C and D. You can see this. I'm passing it as a single value, single parameter using the star syntax, which is packing. And here I'm receiving it as A, B, C, D, which is unpacking. And then I'm printing the product of these lists, and you get 1, 4, 9 and 16. So here there is packing by using the star syntax, and here there is unpacking in the function. Similarly, we can also unpack a dictionary. As you can see, I have a dictionary with the name and value and key given as follows: name Kiran, gender male, year 2001, and then I'm printing the name, gender and year as the values. So here using the double star notation, I'm packing the dictionary, and then using these three variables I'm unpacking the dictionary. So this is what is happening. So hope you had a fair idea about dictionary packing, tuple packing, dictionary unpacking and tuple unpacking. So this idea is very popular, but you should try to understand what the big picture is for all this. So the idea here is the passing of variable argument lists. So for people who are coming from C background, so you might have known the variable number of arguments concept in C programming with the variables va underscore r, va underscore list, va underscore start. The same idea is implemented as variable argument lists using packing and unpacking in Python. Hope you had your value increased through this video. Hope you found this video useful. If this video added value, please provide comments below and also subscribe to this channel. As usual, the text for this video and the examples are given in the link below. Thanks for watching.